Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Sata Ratchet set on the market. The Sata 3-piece quick-release ratchet set with a teardrop head. This set, model ST14901U, includes 3 essential sizes: 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets, designed to meet all your fastening needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic. First up, let's talk about the design. The Sata ratchets are built with a full polished chrome solid handle that not only gives them a sleek look but also makes them resistant to rust and corrosion. This is especially crucial for tools that will see a lot of action in various environments. The chrome finish also makes for easy cleaning, so you can keep them looking brand new after every use. Now, what really sets this ratchet set apart is the innovative teardrop head design. This low-profile head provides excellent access to tight spaces, allowing you to reach fasteners in areas where traditional ratchets simply can't go. It features a 72-tooth ratchet mechanism, which means it has a 5-degree arc swing. This allows for more range when turning fasteners, minimizing the effort needed, especially in confined spaces. One of my favorite features is the hassle-free quick-release mechanism. Even with greasy or oily fingers, you can easily swap out sockets, saving you valuable time during your projects. This thoughtful design truly enhances the overall user experience. Whether you're working on your car or assembling furniture at home, these ratchets deliver precision and ease of use. They provide excellent torque and grip, ensuring that you can tackle any job with confidence. The versatility of having 3 sizes in one set means you're equipped for a wide range of tasks, eliminating the need for multiple tools cluttering your workspace. Coming in at an affordable price of around $26, which is a 32% discount from the original list price, this set offers remarkable value. You not only get high-quality construction but also a tool that is essential for any toolbox. This is truly an investment worth making. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, durable, and versatile ratchet set, look no further than the Sata 3-piece quick-release ratchet set. It's built to last, performs exceptionally well, and is designed with the user in mind. For anyone who values quality and efficiency, this set is a must-have. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best tools and gadgets available. See you next time, and happy wrenching!